398 clients gets you to a six-figure annual residual income in perpetuity. Hey guys, how's it going? Waylon R. Tripp here with United Insurance Professionals. I appreciate you guys making some time for us today. Today I wanted to cover something that we've really grown into and something that I've kind of fallen in love with, both on the agent side and agency side of the business, and it's the Medicare side of the business. So reason why is pretty simple. It's residual income. So realistically speaking, within 12 months, you can build a six-figure residual income. This is something that we believe at UIP that every agent should have the opportunity to build. And we have seen the number. We know for a fact that within your first 12 to 18 months in the business, you can build this. Hey, whoa, hey, stop. What's up guys? Thank you for taking part in the videos and watching. I would really appreciate it if you would like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel called to do, do it. Do all those. I look forward to it, and I hope you find some value in the content. 398 clients gets you to a six-figure annual residual income in perpetuity with the right resources, the right training, and with the right individuals. And then you're also probably wondering the market, right? Like how big is it? How realistic is it to make that a viable thing? Well, 10,000 people turn 65 every day for the next 20 years or so. So the market's continually growing. It's outpacing that of the amount of agents that are even available. So realistically, it's a huge market. It's a huge opportunity. You just have to be with the right people to grow. We want to be that for you. We want to help you get there. We want to help you show you how to build that residual income so that you can be in the business for a long time, not just a short time, and you can really build something for you and your family. Thank you guys so very much for making some time for me today and checking out the content we're putting out. I really, truly hope that it has been valuable for you and has been a worthwhile video and series for you. If you've suffered from low commissions or high cost leads, or you don't know where to go next in the industry and you're just kind of lost, we'd love to have a conversation with you here at UIP. Down below in the description, you'll find our website, and you can set up a call with myself or someone on the hiring team. And just we can go over the opportunity and dig a little deeper to see if working with us makes sense. Again, I really truly believe that any conversation we can have and provide value is valuable to us as well, and we would love to hear from you. So again, thank you so very much. Look forward to hearing from you, and let's grow.